They don't roar, they don't shout, they just appear above forests, fields, and rooftops. Ukrainian drones aren't just watching anymore, they're deciding who walks away and who doesn't. Far from the front lines, a group of Russian soldiers gathers, relaxed, unaware, thinking they're out of reach. But high above, nearly a kilometer away, a Ukrainian drone is already watching. Quiet, distant, unshakable. It doesn't need to get close. With pinpoint accuracy, it releases a single charge. Seconds later, the strike lands. Direct, devastating. No warning, no mercy. In this war, distance offers no protection, only the illusion of it. Deep behind the lines, surrounded by trees and reinforced walls, Russian tank depots sit like sleeping beasts, quiet, loaded, waiting to be unleashed. Dozens of armored vehicles line the yard, engines cold but ready. To the soldiers nearby, this is a place of strength. But from the sky, it's a target waiting to burn. The Ukrainian drone scans, marks, and moves. No alarms, no air defense in sight. Just one precise drop, straight into fuel reserves. What follows is instant and uncontrollable. Fire consumes the depot, ammunition detonates in a chain reaction, tanks erupt one after another. In under a minute, the entire site is reduced to smoke and steel. This is no longer just a battlefield, it's a war of logistics, and Ukraine is hitting where it hurts the most. Russian soldiers take cover in scattered positions, trenches, tree lines, ruins, but the drones find them, quietly circling overhead. They identify every movement, every shape, every mistake. And then the strikes begin, one after another, precise, relentless. There's no hiding from a weapon that sees everything. The strike lands, and for a moment there's silence, then a burst of fire. Bright, sudden, the Russian position erupts like fireworks in the night sky, but this celebration brings no cheers, only smoke, flames, and finality. He moves without caution, too slow, too exposed, unaware that he's already being watched. No cover, no helmet, no sense of the danger above. He's new to the battlefield, and it shows. But drones don't care about experience. They don't forgive mistakes. From the sky, the crosshairs close in. One drop, one blast. And the price of inexperience is paid in full. High above the battlefield, Bayraktar drones patrol with quiet purpose. They scan the ground, searching, selecting. Russian tanks sit beneath, unaware they've already been chosen. With laser-guided precision, the drone marks its target and strikes. Steel shatters, fire erupts. These aren't just drones, they're tank hunters, and no armor is strong enough to save what's marked from the sky. Among the crumbling walls and shattered windows, Russian soldiers move carefully, clearing rooms, watching corners. But the real threat isn't inside. It's above. Ukrainian drones hover silently, tracking every step through broken roofs and open courtyards. Then come the strikes. Precise, unforgiving. In these ruins, there's nowhere to hide from the sky. fields, forests, and ruined cities, the drone war rages on. Oh, Ukrainian UAVs patrol the skies day and night, watching, calculating, and striking with ruthless precision. No target is too small, no vehicle too large. Infantry squads vanish beneath sudden blasts. Tanks, once symbols of unstoppable force, now sit abandoned and burning. From high above, drones dismantle entire formations, one strike at a time. Soldiers scatter, armor ignites, and the battlefield is reduced to heat signatures and smoke trails. This is not just modern warfare. It's warfare redesigned, silent, surgical, and absolutely unforgiving.